Good morning, or should I say good afternoon, because it is 12:53. I started with good intentions today. I got here early, but due to unforeseen circumstances, the client wasn't here. I didn't have access to the building. They were up watching the game till 5 o'clock this morning, so I've only just got in. So talk about best laid plans. I'm now 4 hours behind schedule. I wanted to get all the chasing finished today. So I'm going to bring everything in, get it all set up and crack on and hopefully get as much done as I can. So just one thing. I mean, I don't normally wear these. I normally wear my own normal glasses. These are actually safety glasses, but they're my prescription with polycarbonate lenses. So they're absolutely fantastic. So if you do wear glasses, it's worth checking these out at Asda. 80 quid. My prescription lens, safety glasses, tough as old boots, and not very easy to break. So brilliant. Anywho, I better get cracking.
Shop and you ask for foreigners Jean.
So I've kind of started cutting this box out, and I started feeling some resistance on this side. And sure enough, there's a strut there. So what I'm going to do is I've only cut it to that bit there, and I'm going to, that gives me enough lip there to connect, and I'm going to extend it out this way instead. So that'll just need a bit of filler just to fill in. But I think I managed to save that. Hooray! Right, it's technically end of day 2 because I only got 4 hours in yesterday. So 4 hours today, that's an 8-hour shift, so technically it's day 2. However, we've gone into day 3 because of what happened yesterday morning. Sorry, my throat, I'm a bit dusty, so it's sitting on my throat. Right, so all I've got to do now, I'm going to just switch the camera over 1 second. I don't think I can. Right, okay. So what we're going to do, I've got a socket to install over there. I've cut an access hole so I can get into the loft area to run the lights upstairs. I've opened that access hole because there was already one there. So we've run that. So we're ready to start running cables for the lights. We'll just go downstairs. I've got all the sockets chased out by one. I mean, the one upstairs to cut, because it's hollow. These ones I've got chased out, so that one's ready to be fitted. That one's ready to be fitted. All the dry line box ones are going to. I'm not putting the boxes in yet. I'll run the cables and fit them as I run the cables. So technically they're done. So there's that one there, one over there. I hate these walls. These with the wooden slats, bloody nightmare. One over there. Again, hate the walls. I've got that one chased in over there. That one's chased in up there. And then I've got this one cut here, ready for the box. So technically, upstairs is done. I've got 1, 2, 3. I've got 4 boxes to secure to the walls. Downstairs, I've got this one here to fit. In here is fitted. So all the boxes are fitted and ready, just ready for me to run cables. I've got this light one to fix. However, I'm doing 2-plate system downstairs. Save messing around with the lights upstairs. So I'm going to run the cable from the basement up through into here, and then obviously I'll connect to each light switch with 2-plate system. 2-plate system, basically the power goes to the switch, and there'll be one cable feeding the light. So you'll have a line and neutral at the light, and you'll have a line and neutral at the switch. So if every customer decides they want smart switches or anything like that, then it's not an issue. Same with that one. Same with that one. I'm going to use this one, hopefully, to pull up the cable. If not, I'll just have to chase that out, or try and get through somehow. And then obviously the lines. There's going to be 3. This is going to be a 3 switch. There's going to be one for the kitchen, one for the lounge, which is here, and then another one to turn the LEDs that will be in the media wall over there. In here, that socket is fitted and ready. That one is, and that one is. I've not touched the kitchen ones yet because I need to pick some new batteries up for my level, and I don't want to start doing those until I don't want my level to die on me, put it that way. So that's it. So I'm just going to have a quick break, go and get some batteries, grab a brew, maybe a protein shake or something, and then I'm going to come back and crack on finishing fitting all the boxes, and just start taking up floorboards and just getting all the runs ready. And then tomorrow it'll be a case of running the cables. So happy days.